In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your ElevenLabs API with n8n to convert text to speech. This straightforward process will allow you to easily generate audio files from your desired text using your preferred voice settings from ElevenLabs. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring clarity and understanding, so let's get started. First things first, we'll need to secure your API key. Log into your ElevenLabs account and navigate to the API keys section. Here, you'll have the option to create a new key. Go ahead and do that, and remember to copy it carefully as you'll need to paste it into n8n shortly. This key will authenticate your request to ElevenLabs, allowing you to access the necessary services. Next, let's move over to n8n and set up your workflow. In your n8n instance, we're going to start by creating a new workflow. This will be the foundation of your text-to-speech automation. Once you've done that, insert a manual trigger node. This node will initiate your workflow, allowing you to run it whenever you want to generate an audio file without any external trigger. Now it's time to incorporate an HTTP request node. This node is the crucial part of your workflow, responsible for sending the API call to ElevenLabs. When you add this node, you're effectively creating a bridge between your text input and your speech output. To configure this node with ease, we're going to use a curl command. The quickest way is to import a curl command from either your n8n workflow's URL or directly from the ElevenLabs API documentation, whichever you find more convenient. Let's dive into the specifics of configuring this node. First, set the method to post. This tells n8n that you want to send information to the server, in this case, text needing conversion to speech. You'll then need to enter the endpoint URL, the specific digital address where your request should go. Copy the text-to-speech endpoint URL from the ElevenLabs API documentation and paste it into the URL field within the HTTP request node. Don't forget the headers. Click on the Headers tab, where you'll add a new header. Name this header XI key and paste your previously copied ElevenLabs API key as its value. This step is crucial for maintaining seamless communication between n8n and ElevenLabs. You must enable the Send Body option next. This is where you specify what you are sending in your post request. Begin by adding a parameter for text, setting its value to whatever you want to convert to speech. Afterwards, add the voice_ID parameter. To find this ID, head back to your ElevenLabs account. Under the Voices section, select your desired voice, then click View to reveal the voice ID at the bottom of the page. Copy this ID and paste it into the appropriate field in n8n. Finally, with all these details in place, it is time to test your node. Run the HTTP request node to see if it correctly generates your audio file. This testing phase ensures everything is correctly configured, enabling smooth operation. By following these steps, you've successfully paired n8n with ElevenLabs for seamless text-to-speech conversion. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough, and happy audio.